Let's assume that we have an application which connects to a database using a password. While creating the deployment, we can include the password in the deployment's YAML file, but the password would not be protected. The password would be available to anyone who has the access to the configuration file. In this scenario, the secrets object can help us by allowing us to encode the sensitive information before sharing it. With secrets, we can share sensitive information like passwords, tokens, or keys in the form of key value pairs similar to config maps, and we can control how the information in a secret is used, thereby reducing the risk of accidental exposures. In deployments or other resources, the secret object is referenced without exposing its content. It's important to keep in mind that the secret data is stored as plain text inside etcd. Therefore, administrators must limit access to the API server and etcd. A newer feature allows for secret data to be encrypted at rest while stored in etcd, a feature which needs to be enabled at the API server level. Now that we have some understanding about the secrets object, let's see how we can create and use this. We can create a secret from literal and display its details. To create a secret, we can use the kubectl create secret command, which would create a secret which has the value of the password set to the key. After successfully creating a secret, we can analyze it with the get and describe commands. They don't reveal the content of the secret, the type which would be listed as opaque when we use the describe commands. We can create a secret manually from a YAML configuration file. There are two types of maps for sensitive information inside a secret. If we want to have a configuration file for our secret, we must first create the base64 encoding for the password and then use it inside the configuration file. Please note that base64 encoding does not mean encryption, and anyone can easily decode our encoded data. With string data, which is one of the options we can use within a configuration file. So using this string data maps, there is no need to encode the value of each sensitive information field. The value of the sensitive field will be encoded when the secret is created. We can create a secret from a file and display its details. So let's see how we can use the secret inside the pods. I would just be listing out how we can use the secrets. You can always explore them in further depth within the Kubernetes documentation. We can use secrets as environment variables. We can use secrets as files from a pod. And that's it for the secrets topic in Kubernetes. As always, if you have any questions, feedback, or just want to say hi, you can write to me at kubernetes@cent.com. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next episode.